Imagine you're standing in an airport with thousands of people from different countries, different cultures, different backgrounds, and somehow everyone understands one language. That language is English. And this is why English isn't just a school subject. English is your passport to the world. Today, I'm going to show you why English has become the universal key, unlocking careers, travel, friendships, knowledge, and opportunities that didn't even exist a generation ago. And after this video, you will never look at English the same way again. Right now, more than 1.5 billion people are learning English, not because it's easy, not because it's fancy, but because it is the language of connection. A Korean gamer talking to a Brazilian teammate uses English. A Pakistani student learning from an American professor uses English. A businessman in Egypt negotiating with a client in France uses English. Even international pilots must speak English, no matter where they come from, because it is the global language of aviation. Every day, billions of people who have nothing else in common understand one another because of English. And that is why English is more than a language. It's a bridge. Let me ask you something. Where do you learn most things today? Online, right? More than half of the entire internet is in English. That means most of the world's digital knowledge exists in one language. Want to learn AI? English. Want to take a course from Harvard? English. Want to read research papers, blogs, or ebooks? Mostly English. Learning English is like getting a VIP pass to the world's biggest library. Companies today don't hire people, they hire skills. And one skill that instantly increases your value is English. With English, you can work remotely for foreign clients, apply to international companies, earn in dollars, learn new skills faster, and speak confidently in interviews. Studies show that people with strong English skills often earn 30 to 50% more, not because they are smarter, but because they can communicate globally. English turns your local opportunities into international ones. More than 90% of the world's top universities teach in English. Want to study abroad? Want a scholarship? Want to take free online university courses? English is the key. Even if you never travel, English brings the world's greatest teachers directly to your screen. Think about this. You can make friends with someone who lives thousands of miles away simply because you both know English. People in gaming communities, online classes, study groups, and social media. Different languages, different cultures, but English becomes the common ground. Your world becomes bigger the moment you speak English. English is not just vocabulary and grammar. It's access to ideas. When you understand English, you can read world literature, listen to TED Talks, explore global cultures, and understand perspectives far beyond your own country. Your thinking becomes sharper. Your worldview becomes wider. Your confidence becomes stronger. In short, learning English expands your mind. So here's the truth. You don't need to travel to explore the world. You can explore the world with your language. Every new English word you learn is another stamp on your passport. Every sentence you speak confidently is a door opening.